Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Brady, and today we're going to be working on CSS for our e-commerce store from scratch, excuse me. So in the last three videos, we did all of this HTML right here, displaying this stuff on the screen, with this buttons and the submit button and this amount input and stuff like this. If you didn't understand this or you haven't done this yet, probably in the same playlist that you're watching this video are the videos from before this. There's only three from the before this, and each of them are only like 9 minutes long, so I would totally suggest you checking them out. You'll learn a lot, and you'll understand the project better. But if you haven't watched them, or if you have, this is just a brief overview. We've done all of this code right here, and today we are working on the CSS, finally making everything look good. So in the same way that we had done the HTML, this is going to be a three-part to the already like 9-part series. So today we're only working on this area right here, the credentials and the header. And then the next video we will do the content area, and then the final video for CSS we will do the checkout area. And then we'll get into our JavaScript. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing that you want to do, and if you've be, before I start, this is the second time I've said it. If you don't understand HTML or CSS, I do have a course on my channel. I would totally suggest checking it out. It's only like 30 minutes. I try to keep my videos short. It's only like 30 minutes. It goes over the basics of HTML and CSS. So yeah, something I didn't go over in that course though for the CSS part is this little thing right here. I can never pronounce them, so I'm just going to call it the little star things. So this little star thing indicates that we want to affect everything in the entire HTML document. So we're going to do margin 0, padding 0, and font family Arial. And as you can see here, this is what it looks like before CSS. What is this here? It's another Firefox window. This is before the CSS, and then this is after the CSS. So it looks a little weird because I took away all of the margins and padding, but here it is with the font family of Arial. So yeah, let's just get into this. So we are going to do the dot, and then we got to find out what these classes are. So we have to do the dot credentials and h1. So we have to do, let's do h1 first. We can do text align center, and then I'll put the text in the center here, and then we can do padding. Let's just do 35 pixels. That's 30 pixels, but it works all the same. So what padding does basically is it puts 30 pixels right here, 30 pixels right here, 30 pixels right here, and 30 pixels right here. So it puts some space in between all your other elements. Now for the dot credentials, I think I may have spelled it wrong, that I had it in the HTML. No, I spelled it right. So for the dot credentials, we want to first text align center, I think will work for an input. Not 100% sure. Oh, okay, so it does. So we want to give this some padding, and let's just do 10 pixels. And then for the credentials, dot credentials, and then input, boop, like that, dot input, we want to do padding, like, I don't know, let's just do like 8 pixels. Yeah. Then we want to do border none. Well, yeah, we can do border none. Then border bottom, we can do 1 pixel solid black. So it looks like we have a little line under the input area, like this. And then we can put a break tag in between these two so that they're on separate lines. and this is the HTML right here. We reload that, and we can put some more padding. We can do like padding top specifically. So this is only going to affect this top area right here, and then we could do like 10 pixels. Like that, and it kind of looks fine, I guess. But if you really wanted to make it look standout-ish, we can add a second break there, and bam, there you go. And then we can, what else can we do? I actually don't know if I'm liking this font, but the Wi-Fi at my house right now is currently down until like 6 o'clock, and as you can see it's 3:30, so we're kind of out of luck for fonts, but then I might be adding a new font. I'll check my font book actually and see what we've got there. But if I am going to use a special font, you'll always be able to find it in the link in the description, or just go to like the Google Fonts and get it from there. So yeah, that is it for this top part right here. As you can see, CSS is really powerful in combination with HTML. It makes stuff look really cool. So yeah, this is already looking so much better. Put your name in, email, and yeah, so next video we're going to be working on putting these all in like a confined area. And this is using CSS Grid, which I think I'll be putting a video up on the channel for later. But yeah, look forward to that. That'll probably be up tomorrow. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I totally appreciate the views and the support. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or I will put my personal Discord in the description so you can just hit me up there. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.